What's up guys? Today we are introducing you to a file recovery software made by CCleaner, named Recuva. Many softwares comes with a price range that can dissolve our pockets money. To solve this tiny problem we can use Recuva software. Just type Recuva on Google. Scroll down to find link stated on CCleaner official site page. This is genuine link to download this software. There are two versions of this software. It has also paid version available for professional use. Also it has a version for personal use for free. Just click on download button. Wait for a few seconds. After download completed, double click to install. Follow on screen instructions as per your configuration. Now it's time to check if it is working or not. We have installed this on desktop, so that's why it display a deleted file on screen. Just click on Recover button on bottom right corner to begin. Select location of destination to put recovered files. It's done. This is recovered file.